Did you know that you can make up to $500 a day just by using your computer? And it is stupid easy. Let me show you how. So first of all, head over to rev.com. So rev.com will pay you for every word you type. So just scroll down to the bottom and click sign up to be a Rev freelancer. So as you can see, Rev wants to pay you $1.10 for every minute to transcribe or capture audio from video. Now you might be thinking this isn't worth your time, but don't worry, you don't have to do this manually. This is where the audio part comes in. So go to Google Docs, click on Tools, and click on Voice Typing. It will type what you say and come up on the screen. What you have to do is turn on your microphone on your laptop or computer, and it'll do all the typing for you. If you're being paid $1.10 for every single word that you write, and you have this running for 8 hours a day, you're going to be paid about $500 every day. If you want to learn how I'm making $10K a month from home passively, then follow me for more, or click the link on my bio for a completely free training on how to do it. Let's get it!